and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for the most delicious oven baked chicken. After you've tried this recipe, you are never going back, trust me. So here I have 6 chicken thighs that I went ahead and washed really well, and I'll be using some onions, garlic, ginger, bell peppers. I have 1 hot serrano pepper, thyme, basil, green onions. I'll be using some soy sauce, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, brown sugar. I have some olive oil and some tomato paste. Let's jump right in. Next, we want to combine all of these ingredients by adding it to a food processor or a blender. And you want to process or blend it until it's nice and smooth. Once you're done, you want to go in there and taste it and make sure it suits your liking. I tasted mine and it felt like it needed a bit more salt, so I add some seasoned salt to it and it was perfect. Now you want to add it to the chicken and make sure the chicken is nicely coated with the marinade. Then we'll cover this and allow it to sit in the fridge overnight. Can you imagine the flavor and the taste of this chicken once we're done baking it? You can tell by the ingredients it'll be good. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Fast forward to the next day, I took this out of the fridge about an hour and a half prior so it can come up to room temperature. You never want to cook cold chicken. So now I have a 9x13 baking dish, which I will place my chicken in here. And you want to add everything, all of that juicy marinade, you want to add it into the dish as well. And we will cover this and bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 1 hour. Then I'll show you guys what's next. After about 1 hour, this is how the chicken is looking. Now we will bake this for an additional hour, but this time we will leave it uncovered. 30 minutes in, you want to get in there and just baste the chicken with those delicious juices. This time we will bump the heat up to 400 degrees so the chicken can develop a nice golden brown color. And after about 2 hours in total, the chicken is finally done. It smells amazing. It is moist, juicy, and tender, and everything you would want in an oven baked chicken. Now we will garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's it. You can serve this up with your favorite sides. I did serve mine up with some cook-up rice and a fresh garden salad, and it was a hit in my home. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!